How to fix TikTok video under review problem. What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix if your TikTok videos are under review. So if you have posted any videos on TikTok and it says that the video is under review, then that probably means that it somehow is not appropriate or it does not align with the TikTok's community guidelines and it is for that reason under review. And if that is under review and you think there is nothing wrong with the video that you're trying to post, then in that case, you can try to reach out to the TikTok's help and support team. For that, you just have to head over to your profile first, tap on the hamburger menu on the top right, and head over to settings and privacy. All you need to do now is scroll down until you see report a problem. Just tap on this one right here. And if you see anything related to video here, you can just go ahead and read through these articles. But if you don't find anything here, you can just scroll down and directly submit a report. Now, be sure to briefly explain what happens or what is in the video that you are trying to post and tell them that there is nothing wrong with the video and you have not violated any of the TikTok's community guidelines. And if you have, you can also post a screenshot or a short video to prove that there is nothing wrong with it and then tap on submit. Now TikTok will contact you on your email or your TikTok's inbox depending on your choice, and then you can just follow the instruction to move on. And that's how you easily fix your problem. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.